YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. If you liked today's video, please hit that thumbs up for me. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications if you would like to follow my journey. What I do on this channel is operate 12 different brokerages through the House Money Investing strategy, which I do show all 12 of my portfolios here in this on this account. So I'll show all my buys, my sells, my trades, all my deposits, withdrawals, all my gains and losses, and all of my positions that I'm into. I also do stock picks 7 days a week, as I am analyzing stocks every day. I do dividend stocks, growth stocks, SPACs, IPOs, ETFs, precious metals, EVs, pretty much everything under the investing umbrella as far as the stocks. I will display those on my channel with some great stock picks. I'll bring to you, the same picks that everybody else will, plus some unique picks as well. And I also invest in crypto. I do Tezos, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Litecoin, just to name a few. So we'll jump right into it. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 26 trades that I made today, as well as some crypto gains that I had in an Ethereum Classic and in Bitcoin Cash. So jumping into it, this here is my Moo account. As you can see, I made a deposit of $93, and this will be going towards future swing trades in this account. Next, we have some purchases in my Robinhood portfolio. I purchased $37 worth of Mara, ticker MARA. This stock is into the Bitcoin play. So there are stocks that you can get into, that are, having something to do with Bitcoin, whether they mine Bitcoin or have assets in Bitcoin, and this is one of those plays. Then we made a purchase of $38 into DBOC, ticker DBOC. Then we made a $46 deposit into the Robinhood account. Then in the Vanguard account, we made a $9 deposit. This here is the Charles Schwab account. I purchased $30 worth of Twitter Inc., ticker TWTR. Everybody knows what Twitter is. It's ran by Jack Dorsey, and it is a social media app. Then I made a $31 purchase of International Paper. This is a great dividend paying stock. Get you some of that great passive income. Then we made one purchase of Comcast Corporation, ticker CMCSA. This is a digital and cable network. So I purchased $32 worth of Comcast. Then I purchased $33 worth of Intel, ticker INTC. This is a play into technology, semiconductors, and all those sorts of things. Then we made one purchase into eBay, ticker EBAY. eBay is an online platform in which you can sell and buy goods, consumer direct. Then we have my Bitcoin Cash here. I have 8% of one coin. Average cost is $232.38. This is a small investment of about $19. My $19 is now worth $48.57. This is only 0.89% of my portfolio. Total return for Bitcoin Cash is $29.38. Total gains are 153.09%. So as you can see, Bitcoin Cash has been performing very well. Then we got some Ethereum Classic. I hold 9.83 coins. Average cost of $5.82. This was an initial investment of about 49 bucks. That $49 has now turned into $85.21. It is 1.55% of my portfolio. As you can see, my total return is $27.96. I am up 48.84%. So Ethereum Classic is doing well for itself as well. Back to the Charles Schwab account. I purchased some General Mills, ticker GIS, $35 worth. General Mills is also a great dividend payer, and this is a PGC stock, consumer packaged goods stock, recession-proof play here. Then we purchased $37 worth of Valero Energy, ticker VLO. I'm sure everybody knows what Valero is. You know, they have the gas stations. It's an energy company. And then we purchased $37 worth of Verizon Communication, ticker VZ. Verizon is also a play into 5G and telecom. Then we purchased 1 share of Realty Income, ticker O. This is a REIT, so this is a real estate play on the stock market, and this is going to be a great monthly paying dividend, and this is probably my favorite REIT. Then we went ahead and deposited $72 into the Charles Schwab account. And then we went ahead and deposited $72 into the Vanguard account. Then we went ahead and deposited $72 into the Acorns account. This here is in the public account. We purchased $47 worth of Global X funds. This is a Global X cloud commuting ETF. Cloud commuting is very big right now, and it's steady ramping up and going up. I love ETFs. They're a great way to diversify into a sector of the market with extremely low volatility. These ETFs won't fluctuate much, but like I said, it's going to give you great diversification into that cloud computing sector, into the market. So I expect great things from this ETF. And Global Funds is a dependable source for ETFs. They have a great marketing and a hedge fund team. Then we have a Fidelity Blue Growth ETF purchased in public account. Purchased $48 worth. Fidelity also is a very great hedge corporation, and this is going to be an ETF comprising of all the great blue chip stocks with the best growth potential. So definitely a great play here into growth blue chip stocks. Then we went ahead and deposited $72 into the public account. Back to Robinhood, we purchased $39 of ticker DUED, DUDE, I'm sorry. Then we went ahead and deposited another $72 into the Robinhood account. This is the stash account. We deposited $202 into stash. This here is in the Cash App account. Purchased $37 worth of an emerging markets ETF provided by Vanguard. Vanguard's a very great hedge as well, and they have some of the best ETFs you can get. My favorite from Vanguard is probably ticker VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, and total bond market ticker BND. Then we purchased $38 worth of Snap. This is Snapchat, which is a social media platform. They are becoming extremely innovative, and they have been innovative. Other platforms like Facebook, which also owns Instagram, they've pretty much taken everything Snap has done and created their own version to drive viewers back to their platform. So you can look for Snap to be innovative and come up with another way to keep users there on their platform. Then we bought $39 worth of Overstock. Then we deposited $72 into the Cash App. Then we deposited $25 into the Ameritrade account. Then we deposited $23 into the M1 Finance account. We went ahead and made 33 buys in M1 Finance, totaling $165.99. So it's going to split up, the $165.99 by 33 stocks. So each stock would get an even purchase of $5.03, which will be fractional shares. So we'll look at some of the stocks I bought. We got Bloom Energy, DBEU, EWG, EWU, EWZ, FLD, FTS, FVD, GDX, GUNR, ICLN, IRBO, Jamnia, MP Materials, Open Door, PAAS, PCY, Switchback Energy, and SCHH. So those were my 33 purchases made in the M1 account. Then I got a couple stock picks for you guys. 2 stocks that I've already swing traded that I'm going to continue to swing trade. The first is Pfizer, ticker PFE. They're a pharmaceutical company. You know, they created the vaccine with biotech. So I'm definitely trading this one heavy, as they should have a great, you know, quarter 2 and quarter 3 and quarter 4 for their EPS. Then we got PFEB. This is the S&P Power Buffer fund here. So those are my 35 trades and a couple stock picks, as well as some price movements in the crypto space. So if you like the video, please once again hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. I'm up to 33 subscribers, so if you can subscribe, hit that bell. Once I hit that 1,000 subscriber threshold, I will be doing a giveaway, which will be half of my YouTube revenue from that video that produces, you know, 1,000 subscribers. Once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in.